Really can't beat homegrown asparagus. My name's Dominique Sparks from Balancing Rock Farm, and a couple of weeks ago I made a quick video on how I plant my asparagus corms when I want to get some new plants growing. So I'm going to show you that now. And if you hang around until the end of the video, there's some hints and tips for managing your asparagus throughout the rest of the year, including some harvesting tips. And down below in the comment section I have a link to a fact sheet on growing asparagus, so feel free to head over and download that if you're interested.
It's another beautiful late winter day today, and I'm out in the veggie garden and I'm about to plant some asparagus. This is what the asparagus looks like when you buy it. Bit crazy really, and there is a bit of a knack to planting it, but I'll show you how because it's pretty simple. So this is my permanent bed here in the veggie garden, and by permanent I mean veggies that I don't need to replant every year. They'll just keep coming back onto their own accord. So as you can see, there's rhubarb up the end there, and then there's a couple of asparagus plants already. One there, one here. In the middle here is some horseradish, which will come up with a vengeance once the weather starts warming up, and another asparagus plant just here. So it's in these two holes where I'll be planting my new asparagus plants. Now I've dug the holes to about 20 centimetres and put a couple of shovel loads of fresh compost in the bottom and mix that in with a bit of dirt, and I'll get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is mound up this dirt compost mixture that I've got in the bottom here, like so. And then it's really just a matter of spreading out the roots of your asparagus plant, tucking them all down and backfilling your hole. You probably want to allow about 5 centimetres of dirt on top of the crown of your plant. But there you have it. It really is that simple. Spread another couple of shovelfuls of compost on those new plants, and you can see I've also spread quite a lot over the rest of the bed because permanent vegetables do use a lot of nutrients. I just wanted to show you this fresh asparagus that's coming through from this plant. So as you can see, this spear here, he's a perfect size. When he gets to be about 10 centimetres I'll pick him. He's about the thickness of my finger, which is the ideal size for picking. But as you can see, these little ones here are very thin, so I won't pick them. I'll let them grow into ferns so that they can photosynthesize and put some energy back into the plant for next year. If you cut them too soon, you do deplete the root system. Now normally you'd cut off these tall ferns, but I tend to just leave one each year just so I know where the plants are and I don't lose track of them over winter.
There you go, pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel, because then you'll always know when I put out new videos if you hit the notification bell. And don't forget to download that cheat sheet on growing asparagus. There's some great information there. Otherwise, I will see you next time.